Hi, my name is Karthikeyan Nagalevan and my metric card number is 01DE25F1008.
Hello, myself Nishar Ratnam. My matrix card number is 01DE25F1021. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Abhimanyu Nandan. My metric card number is 01DEE25F1019.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Adaikal Rizqan Nahim. My metric number is 01DE251005.
Definition of trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of triangles, especially right-angled triangles. It focuses on relationship between the sides and the angle of a triangle. Using trigonometry, we can find unknown length or angles by applying special ratios such as sine, cosine and tangent. In short, trigonometry helps us connect with distances.
Today I'm going to talk about trigonometry in football, which is angle of kicking the ball. When a player takes a free kick, the angle at which they kick the ball determines its span. So, trigonometry helps in calculating the best angle to curve the ball around defenders and into the goal. After that, I would like to explain about passing the ball. Players often pass the ball at different angles. Trigonometry can be used to measure the distance and direction needed for a perfect pass. Moreover, for goalkeeping position, a goalkeeper uses angles to cover the maximum area of the goalpost. By standing at the right spot, they reduce the angle for the striker, making it harder to score. So, measuring distance, coaches and analysts use trigonometry to estimate how far and at what speed a ball travels after being kicked. That's all from me. Thank you.
And solution for trigonometry in football. The formula of trigonometry is sine, cos and tangent. To find the angle of a triangle with an unknown angle, we will be using three types of formulas, which is the sine, cos and tangent, short form for so, ka, tua. The so, ka, tua means sine, opposite over hypotenuse, ka, adjacent over hypotenuse, and tua is opposite over adjacent. Now, sine angle equals to the opposite of the angle over the hypotenuse. Now, for cos angle equals to the side adjacent of the angle over the hypotenuse. And the tangent angle equivalent to is the side opposite of the angle over the side adjacent of the angle. Now, let's look into an example. An example here is given an unknown angle. To find an unknown angle, we must use the given information. They are given hypotenuse equals to 9 cm and the opposite of the unknown angle is 5 cm. Therefore, the suitable formula to be used here is the sine formula. Now, to put this in a way, we have to find the angle. Therefore, the angle equal to sine to the power of -1, 5 bracket 5 over 9 bracket. And if you put this in a calculator, the approximate equivalent to the answer is 33.7 degree. Now let's look into a real life situation. We have a football player here kicking a ball to the goalpost, and there's an unknown angle. To find this unknown angle, we have to find the information given using the information given. The information given here is that the opposite of the angle is 2.4 meter in length, and the side adjacent of the angle is 25 meter. Therefore, the suitable formula to be used in this type of situation is the tangent formula. So first, we have to convert the tangent into 10 to the power of -1 in our calculator, like this.
In conclusion, trigonometry is not just number on paper. It is angle and distance that help football player make better pass, accurate shoot, and smart save. Without realizing it, every player use trigonometry on the field. Trigonometry show us how mathematics is everywhere. Even in football, every pass, shoot, and save is guided by angle and distance. So, when we study trigonometry, we are not just learning math. We are learning that science behind the world most loved game.
Very good evening everyone. Today we will be doing a Q&A session with all the group members. Each of the group members will be answering one question from trigonometry in football. So first, Adib, what is the definition of trigonometry?
So basically, the definition of trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deal with the study of triangle, especially right-angle triangles. It focuses on the relationship between the side and angle of a triangle. Using trigonometry, we can find unknown length or angle by applying special relation such as sin, cosine, and tangent. In short, trigonometry helps us connect angle with distance. That's all from me.
Thank you, Adib. So moving on to the second question. The second question is, what is the formula used in trigonometry?
Basic trigonometric formulas in right angle is, first of all, is sine opposite to angle over hypotenuse. Secondly, cos side adjacent to angle over hypotenuse. And last but not the least, tangent tan side opposite to angle over side adjacent.
Moving on to the third question, Nishal, what is the importance of trigonometry in football?
Okay, so trigonometry helps in calculating the best angle to curve the ball around defenders into the goal, and also trigonometry can be used to measure the distance and direction needed for a perfect pass. Also, for a goalkeeping position, it can help measuring distance. Example like to estimate how far and at what speed a ball travels after being kicked. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.